from a user perspective, it went surprisingly smooth. Being a large Lotus Notes environment, we were very cautious of the fact that, how many people would be able to pick up, a new tool, essentially a new paradigm. If you really looked at how Lotus worked and how, Exchange works, it's a very different interface and everything. What we found was that, and it was an 80-20 split, that 80% of our users wanted to be on a Microsoft type platform already. And for the other 20%, they probably didn't totally care. And they really didn't see email as being a business critical process, so they were really ready to change.
Rolling it out, it was a piece of cake. Like I said, Microsoft did most of the work. All I had to do was just perform the configurations on each workstation, and that was it. And as far as the user experience, honestly, they don't know the difference. It could either be, the server itself could either be in the next room or it's somewhere across the country. It doesn't matter.
Our end users were already using Microsoft Office. Some of them were using Office 2003, and quite a few were using Office 2007. And so as we rolled out the Microsoft Online services to our internal groups, it was really kind of an obvious evolution for people. I think, frankly, some people were overwhelmed at the wealth of features, though, because people were using Outlook, but they were having that experience of accessing a POP server, and they didn't realize the richness that Exchange brings to the equation. And so once that was back there via the Microsoft Online services, the whole situation just got much better. Mail got delivered more quickly, and it used to take minutes in cases for our POP mail server to send and receive mail. It was a long latency. Now we almost use email like instant messaging. It's so fast. And users still had that in that familiar environment of Outlook. They could integrate other accounts in if they needed to. And then, of course, we were able to layer on top of that calendaring, have the mobile access, have the web access through Outlook Web Access. And so it really it's a rounded out solution that brings new capabilities in and feels to the user like, wow, I've got that much more power to get my job done.